welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about the best Clearco product for paying suppliers. As an e-commerce entrepreneur, I've navigated the tricky waters of cash flow, especially when it comes to inventory and supplier payments. This is a common challenge. You need to pay your suppliers up front to secure inventory, but you don't get paid until your customers actually buy the products, which can put a real strain on your working capital. Based on my experience and what Clearco specifically offers, the invoice funding product is the clear winner and the best fit for paying suppliers. Here is why I found it to be so effective for this specific purpose. Direct supplier payment. The biggest advantage is that Clearco's invoice funding is designed to pay your suppliers directly and quickly, often within 24 hours of approval. This immediate payment helps you build strong relationships with your vendors, secure better terms, and keep your production schedule on track without delays. You upload your invoice, and Clearco handles the funding to the supplier for you, protecting your cash flow. When you use invoice funding, you are using Clearco's capital to bridge the gap between paying your supplier and receiving revenue from your customers. This means your own operating cash isn't drained by a huge inventory purchase, leaving it available for things like marketing or running your day-to-day business. Flexible repayment. The repayment is revenue-based and typically capped weekly, meaning it scales with your sales. If you have a slow week, your payment adjusts down. This is crucial for small businesses. It gives you predictability and a safety net that traditional loans often don't provide. While Clearco also offers a cash advance product, which provides upfront working capital directly to your bank account, invoice funding is specifically purpose-built for vendor payments. The cash advance gives you total flexibility, but if your primary immediate need is to pay a large supplier invoice for inventory, the invoice funding mechanism is more streamlined and directly addresses that specific pain point. In short, if your goal is to efficiently pay vendor invoices for inventory, freight, or other production costs, Clearco's invoice funding is a dedicated tool for the job. It ensures your suppliers are paid fast, which secures your supply chain, all while keeping your valuable operating cash free. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.